In today's video, I'll teach you how to contact Golden Corral customer support. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in goldencorral.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Golden Corral. In this interface, what you have to do is simply scroll down to the bottom. Now right over here, you'll be able to find various options. Over here, you'll be able to find this option for get in touch. You'll be able to find the option for contact us. Beneath it, simply click on this option, contact us. Now you'll be led to the contact us interface of Golden Corral. You can see over here you'll be able to contact the Golden Corral. You'll be able to find the options for FAQs over here. If you click on the option FAQs, you'll be able to see the frequently asked questions. So you can also click on this option and read the question answer. You can also simply scroll down. Now you'll also be able to see the headquarters over here. You can go to this address and contact them personally. Likewise, the best way to contact them is to simply fill out this form. All you have to do is fill in these details. After that, you'll be able to contact them. So first of all, what you have to do is select the subject. Click on the field of subject. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is simply click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll also have to select the restaurant. Simply click on the field of restaurant and select the restaurant over here. Likewise, enter your email address. Click on the field of email and enter the email over here. You'll also have to confirm the email. Simply re-enter your email address. Now once you do that, enter your first name. Likewise, enter your last name. Now provide your phone number over here. Make sure to enter the correct phone number. Now after you do that, simply scroll down. Now what you have to do is enter the zip code over here. Likewise, select the state. Click on the field of state and select it over here. Now you'll also have to enter the city name. Now you'll be able to find the section for comments and suggestions over here. You can simply click on it. Now what you have to do is enter your question or problem over here. Now once you do that, check on this box, I am 18 years or older. Now click on this option submit that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your form has been submitted. Now Golden Corral will review your form and get to you via the email and phone number that you provided. So like this, you'll be able to contact them. So that is how you contact Golden Corral customer support. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.